Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to create a digital signature field in a PDF file using Nitro Pro. Firstly open your PDF file, click open option, then click computer and browse desktop PDF, open. This is our PDF from, we will add signature field here. Click form option. This is a digital signature field icon, click it and draw signature field. Okay, now click hand option, click. Now we'll create ID, digital ID, new digital ID, create your name, email, okay. Now click next option and finish. Okay, next, next, type your name, finish, apply. Okay, this is the signature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.